A Shiba Inu puppy born in Japan. Mamesuke. Mamesuke loves sweets.
Mamesuke?
Mamesuke likes the foxtail. But is it time for that favorite something? Boil the white azuki beans and sugar to make the sweet beans. Mix the sweet beans with wheat flour and steam and knead. Press the dough on the board and make the pattern. Wrap the sweet bean in the dough. This sweet is called KOGARASHI. This autumn sweet expresses the leaves swirling through the wind. Cutie Mamesuke loves KOGARASHI. When you visit Japan, please try it.